I recently spent weeks testing every free AI video tool I could find, and I finally discovered a strategy that completely redefines what you can achieve without spending a fortune on subscriptions. I'm not talking about those gimmicky platforms that lure you in only to lock everything behind a paywall after you've rendered just a few measly clips. I have found a way to build actual, sellable video products without having to wrestle with usage caps or burning through your hard-earned money on endless monthly bills. Instead of struggling through another tutorial on how to edit, I am going to teach you how to turn 3 powerful platforms into a professional service you can start charging for this week. I call it the triple stack video system, and it is the secret to allowing even someone with zero editing experience to deliver polished, professional content that brands will happily pay for. We are talking about project packages that you can easily sell for anywhere between $50 and $500, depending entirely on the niche you choose to serve. Most creators fall into the trap of signing up for platforms that look great initially, only to hit a brick wall the moment they try to export something longer than 10 seconds. You end up wasting your budget on 3 or 4 different subscriptions just to cover the basic tasks that one solid, streamlined workflow should have handled from the start. When I first started, I simply couldn't afford to stack subscriptions. So I had to find a combination of tools that actually work together in harmony. The triple stack fixes this by splitting your production into 3 specific layers: a base generator for long content, a visual engine for imagery, and a publishing layer for distribution. Let's start with the base layer using CapCut's AI Creator mode, which is essentially my go-to for quickly assembling a polished, finished video. Whether you need a YouTube-length horizontal video or a vertical clip for a reel, you just paste your script, select a natural-sounding voice, and hit generate. The best part is that CapCut doesn't just leave you hanging, it drops you right into an editor where you can swap clips, rewrite text, and fine-tune your pacing exactly how you want. You are never stuck with exactly what the AI gives you because you have the power to replace footage with your own assets or built-in stock to create a perfect base layer. Next, we move to the visual layer. And for this, I lean heavily on Meta AI to generate tailored visuals that really pop. You can start by generating a frame that perfectly matches your desired aesthetic, adjust your stylization settings for a clean look, and then animate it with a simple prompt. If your clip feels a bit too short, you just hit the extend button and Meta will continue the animation based on that final frame, allowing you to create long cinematic sequences. This technique is ideal for turning simple static images into professional-grade B-roll that you can use for promos, intros, or emotional storytelling. Finally, we have the clip and publish layer, and for this I use Vizard, which is an absolute powerhouse for generating consistent social media traction. Vizard takes your long-form content and automatically identifies those high-engagement, viral moments, turning them into ready-to-post clips without you needing to do the heavy lifting. It doesn't just stop at editing. The auto-schedule feature lets you set your posting frequency so that your content queue is always filled, keeping your channels active while you sleep. You now have a single unified place to manage and publish your content across multiple platforms, saving you from the headache of manually posting everything yourself. This triple stack works because it combines the best of all worlds: CapCut for structure, Meta for visuals, and Vizard for the distribution that actually drives engagement. Think about wedding photographers, for example, who have gorgeous footage but absolutely dread spending hours in front of an editing timeline. You can take their ceremony photos, animate them in Meta for that cinematic feel, and use Vizard to extract micro moments from the reception video to create teaser reels in under 2 hours. When you deliver 5 of these stunning teaser clips for a price point around $400, you are providing immense value that gets them more bookings every single month. This also works perfectly for creators who hate being on camera because you can generate the entire script and visual aesthetic using AI, keeping your output high with minimal effort. You are effectively building a service that delivers a month's worth of content on autopilot, which is a massive selling point for busy agencies and local businesses alike. To get started this week, simply land one client, collect their branding assets, and run them through this exact triple-stack workflow to deliver a polished package that sells itself. You aren't just selling tools, you are selling the gift of time, professional engagement, and a content pipeline that actually makes your clients money. Stop juggling subscriptions and start focusing on the outcomes that really matter. Because when you automate the tedious editorial work, you finally have time to scale your business. If you want to dive deeper into this, drop a like, share this with a creator who needs it, and comment below so I can send you my short training on turning this into repeatable income. This workflow changed everything for me, and I know it can help you build a profitable, sustainable video service without living your life stuck behind a screen.